Hey y'all, back with another video. So today is quarantine day 5, y'all. Today I'm gonna be doing flaming hot Cheetos fried pickles, y'all. Something I've been wanting to try for a while, and I got a lot of time on my hands, so I said why not today. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right. Alright y'all, so I cooked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean not cooked. I battered up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pickles. So I'm gonna do 3 in the grease cooking oil. Oh, it's smoking. Let me go ahead. And then I'm gonna try 3 in the air fryer. See which one I like the best. I really don't know how long you're supposed to do it on each side. I'm just gonna wing it, I guess. I might not have to flip it up because it's like, it's enough oil in here to where it's kind of like deep fried. I don't know. What you think? I don't know. The probably a little bit. Alright y'all, so when these finish frying, I'm gonna come back and show y'all what they look like. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna take them out when I bring the camera over here. I'm gonna take them out and show y'all what the deep fried ones look like. I got that a little too close though. Let me flip you. You bring it over. So this the 3 Might have cooked them a little too long. These are the 3 that I deep fry, y'all. So let me set them to the side. And now, just try to keep it right there. I'm going to plug up this air fryer. Come on now. Oh, I don't know how to work it, y'all. I'm gonna turn on this air fryer. I think I got some oil already on here. Should I put some more? Okay. This is the air fryer, y'all. So I'm gonna put the other 3 in here. Let's see what they come out like. It's 1. It's 2. And 3. This is my first time using this, so I really don't know what's going on. Y'all see that? So now, putting it in, and I am going to let y'all see my daughter's hands work it because I don't know what's going on. No, not 400. Maybe just do like 375, I guess. Oh, 370. And maybe like 10, maybe like 8 minutes. I'm gonna do 4 minutes and then turn it over and let the, let them cook the rest. All right, y'all. So we're gonna do 8 minutes, and we're gonna come back and show you what those look like. Back at 8 minutes, y'all. All right, y'all. Before I start talking, let me see if I can get a good thumbnail in. So, y'all, these right here are the ones that I fried in the cooking oil, and these are the ones I fried in the air fryer. So one thing I can definitely say is the ones I cooked in the air fryer kept the pretty color. Can y'all see that? See how red those are? They kept the pretty color. So now let's see which one tastes the best. With my ranch. Gotta have my ranch, y'all. I don't know. Do I want to hold the whole plate up like that? Is that gonna work? I do it like that. So now let's see which one. We know which one looked the best. So let's see which one tastes the best. I don't want no real thick one. All right. Trying to make sure y'all can see what's going on. Dip that in the ranch like that. It's good. I should have sat down and done a mukbang with this.
Try by itself.
With no ranch. My daughter told me to try it with no ranch. What, this one? Alright, y'all. This another deep fried one with no ranch. I thought that one was a little too thick. But other than that, it's still good without the ranch. But I like it better with the ranch. Now, these one of the ones, I think they're so pretty, that I cooked in the air fryer. They still a little hot. Let me see what that tastes like. Y'all see that? I don't know, y'all. It might be a tie. I don't know. Let me see. Let me try without ranch. I like both of them better with ranch. But they both are good without ranch. But with the ranch, okay, without ranch, I think I like that one better. The deep fried one. I don't know, because with ranch, y'all, I think I might like the ones cooked in the air fryer better with the ranch. My kids about to be short. I was gonna let them try some. But I don't know. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna be selfish today. I'm gonna let the kids try some. I'm trying to what my mouth looking like, but thank anybody that watched. Please like, comment, subscribe, and please be sure to hit that bell to be notified. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.